Hello everyone, here is your teacher Orlando, and today's lesson is about clothes. Here, we are going to learn how to describe clothes. Describe clothes. Let's listen to the pronunciation of the vocabulary about opposite adjectives. Opposite means different, right? Contrary, right? Contrary, that is opposite. So let's listen to the pronunciation.
Page 48. Exercise 1. Vocabulary. Opposite adjectives to describe clothes. Read and listen. 1,
New,
2, old. 3,
dirty,
4, clean. 5,
loose,
6, tight. 7,
cheap,
8, expensive. 9,
long,
10, short. Now listen again and repeat.
new,
Old,
dirty,
clean,
loose,
tight,
cheap,
expensive.
long,
Short.
All right. So tell me about your clothes, the clothes you are wearing right now. For example, I have an old t-shirt. This t-shirt has like 2 or 3 years. So my t-shirt is old. It's not new, right? It's not new, but it's clean. My t-shirt is clean, right? It's old, but it's clean. It's not dirty. It's not dirty. And my t-shirt is tied. Look, it's tied. It's not loose. My t-shirt is cheap. It's not expensive. It's not expensive, right? So tell me about your clothes. Do you have new or old shoes? Do you have a dirty or a clean polo shirt? Do you have a loose or tight t-shirts? Do you have a cheap or expensive jacket? Do you have a long or short skirt? Tell me about your clothes. Okay, in this part, adjective placement, adjectives come before the nouns they describe. For example, long skirt, a long skirt. We don't say like in Spanish, skirt and then long. No, we say first the adjective, long, and then the noun that you are describing. Tie, choose, not choose, tie, etc., right? About the use of very, you are going to place very before the adjectives, right? So the adjective is long, so very should be before. The skirt is very long, is very loose, is very tight, okay? Very, and then the adjectives. So you have to complete this exercise, right? Look at the example. Look at the example, write the 2 descriptions for each picture, like the blouses are clean, they are clean blouses. Or the shoes are, they are. So you gotta do that in your book or in a notebook if you don't have the book. Now guys, let's talk about the present tense questions with what color, what size, why, which one, etc., etc. Before, we have seen the use of yes, no questions. Yes, no questions is when you want to receive a yes or no answer. For that, so far we have seen the verb to be, like, are you Dominican? Are you American? Are you a teacher? And with the auxiliary do and does, like, do you have money? Yes. Do you or no or no? Do you have a car? Yes or no? Do you have a house? Yes or no? Are you a teacher? Yes or no? Are you Dominican? Yes or no? And so on. But with this kind of questions, we are going to give specific answer. We're going to give specific answer. For example, if I ask you, what do you need? You can say, you cannot say yes or no, no, no. I need a specific answer, like, what do you need? A blue and a white tie. So you have to be specific, right? What does she want? New shoes, new blouses, new skirts. We are going to use because to answer question with why. Why is to ask for a reason, like, why do you study English? Why are you watching this channel or this video? Why is asking for a reason, right? When you ask why, the answer is because, to give a reason. Why do they want that suit? Why do they want that suit? Because it's nice. Why does she like this tie? Sorry. Why does he like this tie? Because it's green, and green is his favorite color. What color or what size? To ask about color or size. What color do you want? What color do you prefer? You know, black, green, blue. What size does he need? Extra large, large, medium, small. Which, to ask about choice, to ask about choice. Answer with one or ones. For example, let's suppose that, okay, let me show you two books, right? Let me show you two books, right? Two books. And I ask you, which one do you prefer? Which one do you prefer? The red one or the black one? You say the black one, right? It is used to ask for choices, right? Which shoes that she like? The black ones or the blue ones, right? So you gotta complete this exercise using the verb over here. And don't forget to use the auxiliary do and does for the question, okay? You have to use the auxiliary do and does. For example, which skirt does she? Which skirt does she want, okay? Now let's listen to this conversation to finish with this lesson. Describe clothes.
Page 49. Now you can describe clothes. Exercise 1. Conversation model. Read and listen.
What do you think of this jacket?
I think it's nice. What about you?
Well, it's nice, but it's a little tight.
Let's keep looking.
All right, now you're going to listen and repeat.
Page 49. Exercise 2. Rhythm and intonation. Listen again and repeat. Then practice the conversation model with a partner.
What do you think of this jacket?
I think it's nice. What about you?
Well, it's nice, but it's a little tight.
Let's keep looking.
All right, so here we have the question, what do you think of? Is to ask somebody about an opinion of the clothes that you want to wear or that you are wearing. What do you think of this t-shirt? Okay, so I hope that you have learned in this video about describing clothes.